Well, Hope Academy students and teachers and maybe even some parents will watch this. So this is going out to the whole group of you. As we wrap up quarter one of the online distance learning with grades for the secondary school, I just wanted to take a minute and say how honestly thankful I am for you personally. I'm thankful for the email notes or the nice comments in class on forums. I'm thankful for the chances I've had to interact with you over WhatsApp or chat or Instagram or whatever I think I've used probably 17 different apps and talking with different ones of you. And I'm really thankful for that. I'm thankful for the way so many of you, of my students, had a tough time starting out, but have caught up. And others of you, I'm really proud of you for how you've looked at your schedule and said, I can't do this right now. I'm going to make conscious choices to pull back and do well in the things that I can do well right now. So thank you for being with us this quarter. We really want, we being I think everybody who's watching this, want to come back to a face-to-face learning environment. But we want to do it in a safe way. And we've had some good progress and good news from the government lately. I can't say exact dates yet, but we really hope that we'll be able to open school face-to-face before too long. Now, when I say that, please realize that face-to-face won't be the same as it was before. The idea of coming to Hope Academy and seeing almost 200 students out on the fields before class, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be smaller groups. You'll have a different school schedule. You'll still have online work to do and asynchronous work to do for most classes that you're taking. So it's not going to be just like it was. The virus is still real and we need to keep you safe. But we're really hoping we'll be able to see each other physically soon. So let's keep praying for that and keep encouraging each other. And with this, I just want to say a couple things about midterm reports. As we wrap up this quarter and begin vacation week, your teachers also need a vacation. So the teachers will all be doing the midterm reports. They'll be given out after we come back from break. But to honor that, to let the teachers have time to grade the work and also rest, please don't check your grades every day over the next week. Just wait for the reports, because it doesn't help your own stress level or your teachers if you check grades while they're in the process of going over grades and email your teachers saying, hey, have you graded this yet? Well, just be patient. We'll go over the grades multiple times before they come out. And then the second thing, this is especially for high schoolers. High schoolers, colleges don't look really at your midterm grades. They're not official reports in the same way semester reports are. Semester reports go on your transcripts. They're part of the official report. Midterm grades really are just a way of us saying, hey, everybody, we're 2 months in. We gave a lot of grace for assignments that were late the first 2 months. So your grades may be lower now than you want. We still have 3/4 of the year to learn the material that you need to learn. So take that with grace and rest well. And we'll probably see each other online when we come back after break. Plan to be online when we come back, but we're working to open up face-to-face as soon as we can. So pray that will go well. And thank you for being part of my life this quarter. I'm really grateful for you.